Hey loves, what's up? What's good? It's your girl Candy V Kids. Yes, I know. As you can tell from the title and the link in the description, this is my first ever YouTube video. That's right, honey. Your girl got a YouTube. Okay. Now, make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button, and even if you don't, it's okay, it's cool, because I see you peeping, I see you lurking, and I'm sure you'll be back. I'm sure you'll be back. You done saved the video somewhere, but that's okay. Just make sure you do eventually subscribe. Okay. So I'm gonna have my channel. The channel is just general, of course. A little vlogging channel, a little vlogging thing that I'm doing, and I'll be doing a little teaching. I'll be doing a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I'll also be doing some how-tos, some fun videos, and all of that type of stuff. I'll also be having my family joining because they gang, believe that. So if you don't mind, just give me 1 second and hit that subscribe button below. Oh, and make sure you give me a thumbs up, okay? Because I need a little like, okay? Give me a little like. And oh yeah, if you need me to do a sub for you, I got you, boo. I got you. Just let me know. Leave a comment down below and holla back. Thank you guys again for tuning in and just checking me out, seeing what it is and what it do, because it's your girl and I'm about to show you.